to learn. We are going to learn math subject. Today we are going to learn math subject. Are you all ready? Yes? Very good, children. So I want everyone to have three things in your hand. Okay? So the first one, pencil. Second, rough notebook. And third, workbook. I'll repeat. First, pencil. Second, rough notebook. Third, workbook. So everyone, please be ready with these three things. Come on, I'll give you a few seconds first. Yes. Okay, ready? Yes. So let us know today's date and the date. So before starting the class, so every day you should know what is today, date, what is today's date, what day today, which month are we in, everything you should know, right? Okay, come on, type it in the chat box. I just wanted to see how many of you are giving answers in the chat box. Yes. Very good. Superb. Yes, Janani, Kavi Charan, Ojasvi, Nandeka. Good. Very good. 21.10.20, right? Very good. So, Thursday. Good. Very good. That is what I'm expecting. Very good. Today is Thursday. Right. Which month are we in? October. Very good. Superb. So which year are we in? 2021. Very good, children. Superb. Thank you for your answers. So let us start. Yes. Now. So for your answers, children. Come up. Listen to the screen now. I want all of you to listen to my screen, because it's very important topic, and you are going to give your exam on this topic, division topic. So I want everyone to be focused. Okay, right. So lesson number 5, division. What is the chapter name? Lesson number 5, division. Division. Okay, what is the symbol? What is the symbol for division? Sleeping line, 2 dots, one will be on the top and one will be on the bottom, right? Or otherwise above and below. So this is the symbol for division. Very good. So till now, what are all the things that we learned in this chapter, children? What are all the things that we learned in this chapter? Come on, recall. Come on, recollect and tell me. Give the answers in the chat box. I just wanted to see your answers, so I just stopped sharing. Right. Yes, very good. Superb. Repeated subtraction. Very good. I'm expecting equal sharing. Very good. I'm expecting another one also. Repeated subtraction, equal sharing. Properties. Long division. Okay, fine. Properties. You forgot the properties. Terms. Very good. 4 steps of, yes, very good. Group of sharing. Wow, very good. So many answers I'm getting in the chat box. Very good, children. But I'm just expecting, yes, one thing. Tivashnavi, Sai. Very good. Properties, Nandeka. Yes, exactly. So these are all the things that we learned till now, right? Yes, very good, children. Super. Very good, children. Super. So till now we learned properties, repeated subtraction, the symbol of division, what is meaning of division, and also the properties, the terms, right? So now we're going to recall the terms once. Okay? So 4 important terms we learned. Okay, 4 important terms. The first one is dividend. The first one is dividend. The second one, divisor. Third is quotient. And fourth is remainder. Fourth is what? Fourth term. Remainder. Okay, very good. So shall we recall once what is dividend? What is dividend, children? Dividend is the number which is to be divided. Dividend is the number which is to be divided. Divisor means what? Divisor is the number which divides another number. Okay, divisor is the number which divides another number. Okay, so quotient means what? I know everyone knows this answer, right? Quotient means answer, otherwise called as answer, right? Okay, what is the fourth term? Remainder. What it means? The number we get after dividing is the remainder. At last we will be getting remainder, balance. Okay, that is called as remainder. So these are all the 4 important terms in the division chapter. Okay, children? Yes. So where to write dividend? Where to write dividend? Inside the line. Where to write the divisor? Outside the line. Where to write the quotient? Above the line. And at last, we will be getting the remainder. Okay, children? Yes? Are you all clear in this? Very good. Now we'll see one example. See, this sum already you would have learned in the first session, right? I just want you to try out this sum in the rough notebook. Come on. I want everyone to try out this sum in your rough notebook. Come on, take it. Take your rough notebook. Take your rough notebook. Yes. Take your rough notebook. Take pencil. So here, what is the question? 8 divided by 2. So here we have 8 apples. We are going to divide equally this 8 to 2 children. Correct? Right. So here, which number is dividend? 8 is the dividend. I know someone is unmuted. Yes, can you be in mute, child? So that others also will not get disturbed. Come on, mute yourself. Oh, thank you, Shasha. Very good. No, still unmute. Right. So which number is dividend here? 8. Now, which is divisor? 2. So always we have to go the tables, divisor or dividend. Which table we have to see? Divisor. So 2 tables. So what you have to do? What is the step 1? Compare. What is the step 1? Compare the dividend with the divisor. Compare the dividend with the divisor. So always dividend should be greater than the divisor. Then we can divide it. Correct? Right. Now what you have to do? Second step. How many times of 2 is 8? We have to see this. How many times of 2 is 8? Come on. Yes. Here is your answer. Yes, I know everyone had worked out. Now see, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 twos are 6, 4 twos are 8. So how many times, children? 4 times. 4 times of 2 is 8. So what is the quotient here? What is the quotient here? 4. Very good. So bring down that 8 and subtract in the dividend place. And you will get the remainder as? What is the remainder, children? After subtracting 8 minus 8. The same number. So you will get 0. 0 as an answer. Okay. Now don't forget the last step, children, because always remember, once you completed the calculation, you have to take out the quotient and write it separately down. So quotient equal to 4. That is answer, right? You have to show to your teacher or someone, right? To correct it. Okay, so always remember, once you complete the process of doing the calculation, you have to take out the quotient and write it separately down. Quotient equal to 4. Okay, now see here, once we can recall now this sum. So divisor here, divisor is 2. 1 second. Yes, divisor is 2. Quotient is 4. Dividend is 8. And remainder is 0. Yes, how many of you completed in your rough notebook? Yes, all deserves a star. Very good, children. Superb. Good. Any doubt in this? Any doubt? Already you have completed this sum, right? So one more time we are recalling, that is revisiting, revision. Okay, children? Yes, I just wanted to see the chat box once again. Yes, are you all completed? Yes, Vignesh, second standard F section. Vignesh, yes, thank you, ma. So you are an unmute. Yes, completed, yes, completed, completed, completed. Very good, super. Very good, children, super. So let us move on to the book. Do straight away in the workbook. Those who have not having the workbook, please don't worry. You just take your rough notebook and do the sum. Are you all clear? Yes. Now the next sum, 28 divided by 4. 28 divided by 4. So this sum is there in page number 29. Workbook, Max workbook, page number 29. I'll write it here. Page number 29. I'll repeat. Page number 29 in the workbook. Okay. So what you have to do? Straight away you can do this sum in the workbook, or otherwise you can do it in the rough notebook. Later you can work out in the workbook. Okay. Yes. Right. Yes. Shall we start? Shall we start doing this sum? Yes. So now here 2 digits. Now listen, children. Here you have to be focused a little. Now listen. In previous slide, we saw with 1 digit number. But here we are going to learn with 2-digit number. Okay, so little focus I need. Now listen, 28 divided by 4. 28 divided by 4. Now, as usual, you have to write the dividend inside the line. As usual, you have to write the divisor outside the line. Now you are going to find out the quotient. Now, what is the first step? What is the first step? You have to compare. So always remember, children, you have to take one number after the other. One after the other. You understand? So first you have to take one number. Then you have to go with the next number. Straight away you can't take 28 at a time. So first you have to go with number 2. Number 2. Okay, now you compare this dividend with the divisor. Is it greater number? 2 is greater number than 4? No, it is less number. So in this case, what you have to do? In this, what you have to do? So if it is less number means what you have to do, children? We have to write 0 as quotient. We have to write 0 as quotient. Okay, above 2. Right, in the tens place. Because we are comparing one number first. Okay, so 4 zeros are what? 0. Then you do the subtraction. 2 minus 0 is what? 2. Okay, now you bring down the 8 here. Now 28. Okay, now you can go with the 2-digit number. So straight away you can't go like taking two numbers directly. So one number only you should go with. So first you had taken the first number, that is 2. That is number 2, and compared with the divisor 4. It is lesser number. So what we did? We wrote quotient 0. Correct? We wrote 0 as quotient. Then we did subtraction. Then we brought down 2. We brought down this 2. Then go for the next number 8. Bring down that 8. So now here is 28. Are you all clear, children, now? Yes? Okay, very good. So 28 now. Now what you have to do? Come on, you have to go to the 4 tables and see how many times. How many times of 4 is 28? Come on, find out. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28. So how many times? 7 times. Now see here, 4 7s are what? 28. Now you do the subtraction. So 8 minus 8, the same number 0. 2 minus 2, the same number 0. You can go straight away like this also. 28 minus 28, 0. So reminder here is 0. Okay. Quotient is 7. Right? So you have to take out this quotient and write separately because that is an answer. You understood, children? Any doubt in this? Now see the answer slide. Look at the answer slide. As usual, 28 is the dividend inside, 4 is the divisor outside. So first we compared with the first number. It is lesser than the divisor. So we just went for writing 0, then subtracted that 0. Correct? Yes, any doubts in this? Any doubts? Then we brought down that 8 down, 28. Then 4 tables yes, we saw 4 tables. So 4 sevens are 28. We wrote that 28. Then we had subtracted that. So the finally remainder is 0. Any doubts, children? Are you all clear? I just wanted to see the chat box. How many of you completed this? No doubts. Very good. How many of you completed this? Me, Dharani, Nandeka. Very good. Okay, Meenakshi, Ojaswi, Nandini. Okay, good. Sai Lakshmi. Very good, Kana. Mithun, Janani, Kipashnavi, Sai. Very good, Pa. So, Krishiv, Nikhil, Sadhana, Janani, Krishiv, Teja. Very good, Kana. Yes, Brinda, Jay, Vijay. Very good. So, everyone, clear, no, right? Is it clear? Okay. Yes, but I just wanted you to practice more. Okay? So that only when you are going to give your exam. What, ma?
One more.
One more. In that case, what? What it means? So do this practice, Kana. Yes, one more time I'm just going to do. Don't worry. Because while you are giving your exams, you steps, everything. So do it once again, okay? After this class, after your second session
What is this
also, you
page
can do.
number?
Page number, I told you once again, I'll tell you again. Page number 29. Okay, are you all ready? The next example. Okay, Kana. Be in mute, Kana. Thank you so much for your answers. Very good for your reply. Be in mute, Kana. So, we are going to see with the next example. Are you all ready, children? Yes, 27 divided by 27 divided by 5.
Shall I explain you, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Over to Rubini, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Page number 30.
Okay. So, children, are you all sitting straight? Yes. Take breath in, breathe out. 2, 3 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, everybody sits right. Check whether you are sitting straight. Okay. So, before we go to do that sum, okay, listen here. We will first do it in the whiteboard. Okay. Okay, what is division? Yes, everybody type in the chat box. What is division? What is division?
Division is equal.
Division is equal sharing. Okay, that is the first point. Equal sharing and repeated subtraction. Very good, very good. Repeated subtraction.
Division is equal sharing.
Yes, Kanna, I am so happy about all your answers. Can you kindly mute? Kanna, please everyone be on mute and type whatever the things in the chat box. Okay, if everyone talk, no, what will happen? All others can confuse. They could not hear the voice clearly. Okay, so I request everyone, see, I don't want you all to put lock. That's why I'm telling you to be on mute. Okay, then if you want to clarify any doubt, you can unmute. If you all unmute, what will happen? My voice will not be clear. So I request everybody to be on mute. Okay. Now, what is division? Division is repeated subtraction equal sharing. This we have learned earlier, right? This we have learned before the classes, before the holidays. Or you all remember? Yes. Now we are going to do division sums. Now, do you all remember Shine ma'am might taught you that slogan for the division. What is that?
Sharing the skill, ma'am.
Daddy, mummy. Girija ma'am, you are in unmute.
Ryan, ma'am. Ryan is sharing, ma'am.
Ryan is sharing now. Ryan, kindly you stop sharing, Kanna.
Now you share, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Now you share, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, thank you, Girija ma'am. Okay, see, where I left. Okay. Very good, Sai Lakshmi. Very good, very good. What is the mantra for the division? Daddy, mummy, sister, brother. Okay, if you remember this, then you can do it. What is that? Daddy, mummy, M for mummy, S for sister, B for brother. Okay, daddy, mummy, sister, brother. What is D? Daddy for division. Sorry, division. Okay, division. Mummy for multiplication. Sister for subtract. Subtract. And brother for bring down. Bring down. Okay? Daddy, mummy, sister, brother. Okay? If you remember these four, then your division sum is so easy, children. Okay? Let's look. Let's look the sum. Okay? Before we start that, I want you all to remember. Okay, wow, what is the sum? 27. Please don't type. Kavicharan, you are typing unnecessary messages. Do you think I could not see your message? See, play while play, read while read. I could not accept your unnecessary messages, unnecessary conversations. Okay? While I'm telling you to listen, you have to listen the class. Yes, Hubli, what is?
Ma'am, one more time, ma'am.
What, Kana? What? Daddy, mummy, sister, brother, You want me to repeat?
Ma'am.
Okay, okay, dear. See, D for TMSB. Okay, wow. D for daddy, daddy for division, M for multiply, mummy for multiply, S for subtraction, B for bring down. Bring down. Bring down means taking to the down. Okay? These are the 4 steps we are going to do in division. Okay, va? I will explain you while you are doing the sum, you will get clarified. Okay, clarity. 1 minute. So 27 divided by 5. Okay, va? You all know pizza, right? You all know you have eaten the pizzas. Everyone might tasted the pizza, right? Okay. Now see, 27 is a big count. Okay, va? Just imagine 27 is a pizza. Okay, we are going to this to share 5 members. Okay, wow. We are going to every time we will be taking 5 count and will share. Okay, okay. So imagine 27 is a pizza. Okay, 27, the dividend is a pizza. Pizza will be inside the box or outside the box. While you are ordering for the pizza, where it will be? Inside the box or? Yes, very good. It will be inside the box. Yes? Okay. Now, see, 5 is the cutter. Okay, 5 is the cutter. We are taking away 5 from the 27. Do you all remember? Repeated subtraction. What we are doing? We are taking away 5. So, that is subtraction. We are going to cut 5. Okay, wow, that is a cutter. Cutter will be outside the box or inside the box? Outside the box or inside the box? Cutter, I'm asking. Outside the box. Very good, very good. Outside the box. So what you are going to do? We are going to draw the box. Okay. So pizza will be inside the box. What is the pizza? Dividend. 27 is the dividend. So inside the box. And 5 is a cutter outside the box. Divisor, cutter, that is a outside the box. Is it clear, children? So far everything is clear? Now we are going to put the place values. Okay, wow, place values. So now what we are going to do, we are going to write the tables. Okay? You all know the tables, right? Yes? You all be on mute and tell me the tables. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50. Okay? Now, I want you all to give the answer. Okay, wow. Okay, wow. Listen carefully, children. So far in addition, subtraction, multiplication, where we begin the sum? From which place we'll begin the sum? In addition, subtraction, yes, very good, Nandika. What about others? Only Nandika has given the answer. Oh my God. Yes. I want everyone to recitate at least once. From one's place, we started to do the sums. Where in addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay. We'll start from the ones place only. Now, whereas in division, we'll start from higher place value. Can you all listen? Can you all listen? From which place value will start from division? Tens room, higher place value. Okay? Higher to lower. Very good, very good. Higher to lower will move from the higher place value. Everyone now tell me from which place value will start for division? From which place value will start for division? Higher place value. Very good. Very good, very good. Okay? Only 2, 3, Mithun, Ojasvi, okay. Okay? Now we'll start the sum. Okay? Now we'll start the sum. You all know what should be inside the box, what should be outside the box, what tables you have to write, from which place value you have to start. Okay? These are the pre-steps of the sum. Okay? Now we are going to do the actual sum. First, you have to take the first digit. What is the first digit? 2. Okay, wow. 2. Okay. Now look at there. How many times you can share 5 from 2? How many times you can take away from 2? See, you have 2 chocolates. Children, you have 2 chocolates. You have to share among 5 persons. How you will do? 0 times. You could not share. Very good. 0 times. So what you will do? See, 0 5s are 0. So you will be divided by 0. Now what step we have done? D step. We have divided that number. D step. Now we will be multiply the step. First step is division. Second step is multiplication. Third step is subtraction. And fourth step is bring down. Bring down. Okay. So first step is over. Division. Now second step, multiplication step. We will be multiplying. What number we will multiply? 0 and 5. Okay. 0 5s are. What is 0 5s are? 0. 0. You will be writing at the down. Now multiplication step over. What is the next step? Children, recitate. What is the next step? Subtraction. Okay. Subtraction. Now we will be subtract 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0. What is 2 minus 0? Tivashnaviya. Okay. Very good. 2. 2. Okay. Now what is the next step? Subtraction step over. What is the next step? Brother step. Bring down. Very good. Bring down. So what number we will be bringing down? This number. Okay. We will be bringing down here. Now what is the number? 27. Can you take 27 from 5? How many 5s can be taken from 27? How many 5s can be taken from 27? See, look at here. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 is bigger number. We could not take 30. Yes, we have only 27 chocolates. Can we share 30 chocolates? No. So what number you have to choose? 25. Okay, 25. How many times you can share? 5 times. So this you are going to write. See, we finished the bring down. Again, we are going to the division step. Again, we have done division step. Now again, we have to multiply. What number you will be multiplying? What number? 5 5s are. 5 5s are. 5 5s are. You will be multiply. 5 5s are. So 5 5s are 25. Multiplication step also over. Now again, what is the next step? Subtraction. So you will be subtract. Okay, va? Now subtraction from which place value will subtract? One's room. You should not remember. You should not forget this. One's room. Okay, subtraction you have to do from one's room. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. Now, is there any other number to bring down? We have done till subtraction, right? Is there any other number to bring down? No. So the sum is over. The 2 we could not subtract. We could not divide. Okay. The rest I will have. See, I told while I'm doing the repeated subtraction itself, I told. Okay. If it is not able to share equally, I will keep it left with me. Okay. Now you are going to write the answer. How you will write the answer? Okay, write the answer. So what and all you have to write? Dividend, dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. Okay, what is the dividend? What is the dividend? Answer is equal to, you will be writing. I don't have space, so I'm just writing like this. Okay, wow. Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. All the 4 you have to write. Okay, what is the dividend? Yes, come on. Nobody is telling the answer. 27. Yes, 27 is the dividend. What is the divisor, children? What is the divisor? 5. Exactly 5. Very good. Very good. Now, what is the quotient? What is the quotient? The answer which we got, this is the quotient. Okay, va? Quotient. 5. Not 0.5. Not 0.5. Children, see. If any number begin with 0, it doesn't have value. Okay, we will leave that 0. It doesn't have value means no need to mention. Okay, only 5. Okay, yes. Now, what is the remainder? Remainder is left over with me. Remainder. Yes, what is the remainder? 2. Very good. 2. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Yes? Those who have doubt, kindly type your name. I will call your names. See, first thing, once again I am repeating. Everybody listen. Please listen. Stop typing. Please listen. Okay, first you have to draw the box. You will be writing the dividend inside the box, divisor outside the box. Then you will be writing the divisor tables. Okay, first you have to take from the higher place value number. higher to lower. Division, higher to lower. That you have to remind. What are the steps we are going to do? Division, multiplication, subtraction, bring down. These 4 steps we are going to do. Daddy, mummy, sister, brother. D for division, M for multiply, S for subtract, B for bring down. Okay, these 4 steps we are going to do. Then first step, we will be dividing, we will compare that number, how many times we can divide. Okay, then that number you will be writing at the top. Then you will be multiply with the divisor and will be writing at the down. Then subtraction step, you will be subtracting that number. Then you have to bring down. If it is any more number, you have to bring down that number. Then again you have to divide, multiply, subtract. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubt? Okay. Okay, I hope it's all clear. Okay, so you please keep practicing. Today itself you have to do this, unless otherwise you could not remember. Okay, va? Now, see, this is the sum, okay? Page number 31. Page number 31. Okay, well, those who have workbook, kindly do in the workbook. Those who don't have workbook, kindly do in your rough note. Okay? Only 2 sums I am going to do. The rest of that you are going to do. Okay? See, 14. First number they have given 14. Okay, wow. 14. From 14, how many 7s are there? How many 7s
What's
are
the page number, ma'am?
Page number 31, Kanna. Workbook, page number 31.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Okay? See, from 14, how many 7s you can take away? How many 7s? 2 7s you can take away. 2 7s are 14. Yes, 2. Okay. From 35, how many 7s you can take away? Again, you have to recitate the 7 tables. How many 7s can we take away? Yes, 5 7s. 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. Then 70. From 70, how many 7s you can take away? Yes, I want the quick answers. How many 7s? So far, you should mug up all the 10 tables, I think. Yes, 10 7s are very good. 10 7s are 70. 10 7s are 70. Okay? The rest of the 3 you have to do. The rest of the 3 you have to do. Okay? Yes, is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt in division sum? See, it looks like tough, okay? But if you keep on practicing, today itself you sit and do 2 to 3 sums in workbook and classwork notebooks. Then you will be clear with that. Okay? Check with the classwork. Don't copy the sums. Practice the sum. If you make mistakes, then you can rectify from the classwork notes. Okay? The classwork notes are available in the MVM app. So please